Good Thursday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this February the 13th, 2014. Well, winter storm is starting to die down and losing its grip here in eastern North Carolina. We've got a couple more advisories to get through into tomorrow morning because of refreeze issues, but overall things are starting to calm down and get back to normal. Relatively normal, because we are going to be warming up and temperatures will be nearing 70 degrees as we head towards next week. We'll detail that all out. I have a big grin on my face because I'm so happy about saying 70s possibly next week. So let's get into it here in the forecast update video. Here's a look at the warnings and advisories. We have a winter weather advisory for Wayne, Wilson, Edgecombe, Nash, and Halifax County that goes until 10 a.m. on Friday morning. Reasoning why, obviously, still sleet and snow and refreeze issues along the I-95 corridor. Also, all the roads over there are going to be a mess from today's wintry mess for that area. Some areas seeing some snow, some areas seeing some sleet, freezing rain today. So just be careful out there, especially through tomorrow morning. But we will warm up, so that's good news in that category. We will finally warm up. Here's a look at Live Viper 9. I want to show you everything that's going on as far as the system is concerned. You know, oddly enough, New York got a bunch of snow this morning. Now they're getting into rain before they switch back over to snow on the backside of this. Baltimore had 3-inch an hour snow rates early this morning. This has been a crazy system that we've been dealing with. We've had 3 rounds here in North Carolina. We had the first one on Monday night into Tuesday. We had the second one on Wednesday. And now we've got the third one finally lifting out of here, and it's just been a crazy couple of days here, and finally we were going to get out of this. We had a couple of light snow flurries here or there tonight. Temperatures will be dropping into the upper 20s and low 30s across the east as skies clear out, as the upper level low pulls out. Tomorrow, a beautiful day, starting off with sunshine, a few clouds by the afternoon hours. Inland, maybe a touch cool along the I-95 corridor. Temperatures likely will be somewhere into, we'll say probably the upper 30, the mid to upper 40s, closer to the coastline, east of Highway I-95, likely will be into the low and mid 50s, so very nice day expected. Like I said, clouds will start to build in as we head into the afternoon hours ahead of our next Clipper system. That one does bring us a chance for maybe some rain, and maybe a few flurries or even a sleet pellet or two as we head into early Saturday morning. Tonight, spotty sprinkles inland, refreeze possible, bridges, overpasses, secondary roads, especially along the I-95 corridor. So watch out for that tomorrow morning. Wouldn't be surprised if some school districts delay tomorrow morning. So be aware of that. Go to our website, WNCT.com, for that information. Friday, morning slick spots, but otherwise drying out. Mix of sun and clouds, 40s and 50s. Saturday, morning rain, maybe a few sleet pellets, maybe a few snow flurries, but no real issues expected as temperatures will stay above freezing. And we have our, for the love of pets, Adopt-a-thon tomorrow, pet parade for 3 cities, Greenville, New Bern, and Jacksonville. 4 p.m. is when it starts. 52 in Greenville, partly cloudy skies by 7 p.m. down to 44. 55 in New Bern by 4 o'clock. 7 p.m. we're talking about 50 degrees, so not too bad out there. May need a little bit of a jacket. Then as we head towards Jacksonville, 56 in the Jacksonville one is inside, so no major issues there, but New Bern and Greenville are outside, but no rain expected into the early evening hours of your Friday and also your Valentine's Day as well. So good stuff in that category. Here's a look at the precision forecast model. There goes our Clipper system, brings us chance for rain. Like I said, maybe some snow flurries, maybe some sleet pellets. It gets out of here as we head into the afternoon hours. Sunshine will try to return back into the region. We head into Sunday morning, maybe a few snow flurries with this Clipper system, but we'll clear out as we head into the afternoon hours again. Temperatures at near 50 degrees. But the main story that we're talking about is the big time warm up. There goes one system. We get our Clipper system come through here, but look what happens to the upper level winds. They all start to switch around to the south and west as we head into next week, and that is what is going to import the warmer air into eastern North Carolina as we head into next week. So we'll take you out to Friday looking at the upper airflow. Things a little bit more zonal here, and we're seeing that little short wave that will dive down here. That will give us our Clipper system as we head into your day on Friday night into Saturday morning. But like I said, underneath that, we're dry, so we're in good shape as we head into your Friday. The shortwave pushes across the region as we head into Saturday afternoon. This is 7 a.m. on Saturday morning. Like I said, there will be a chance for showers as we head into the morning time hours. You see the 540 line, the 534 line pushing through the region. Like I said, that's going to possibly be able to squeeze out a little bit of snow flurry or sleet pellets as that pushes through. So don't be surprised on Saturday morning if you hear little pings on the windowsill, but we're not expecting major accumulations or anything of that nature because it's going to be mainly rain. Surface temperatures will be well above freezing at that point. Then we head into the afternoon hours. That pushes offshore, but the cold air is going to be in place. I don't think we'll make it out of the mid-40s that afternoon. A little slight ridge tries to build in here as we head into Sunday. That'll help to bring up the profiles a little bit. Still thinking about 50 degrees or so with high pressure in control of the weather pattern across the area. We should have northwesterly winds or westerly winds, and overall not too bad. It'll be light westerly winds that afternoon. Ridge kind of amplifies up to the north, but here it's a little bit more flat, but we're watching another shortwave that comes down the flow as we head towards Tuesday. That system is going to help to pump up the ridge just a little bit, maybe being able to get into the mid-50s. Right now we got it at 50. The modeling a little inconsistent there, so we may bump it up a little bit as we head towards Monday afternoon. Most of the energy with that shortwave stays off towards the north, but we'll keep a chance for showers in the forecast. The European painting some light showers into the forecast by Tuesday. But basically what's going to happen, we're going to have a little bit of a warm push here along with that, and that's going to help to get our temperatures up on Tuesday, likely into the mid-60s. For the first time in quite some time, the upper air pattern turns zonal and flat, and things are calmer across the lower 48. We'll make the mention for a few showers on Wednesday because we'll have a ridge of high pressure developing offshore. It's going to start to bring in southwesterly winds, not only at the surface, but also aloft. That's going to help to pump up the moisture, pump up the temperatures. So by next Wednesday, we're talking about temperatures likely into the mid to upper 60s. And then as we head into your day on Thursday, we'll keep a chance for a shower in the forecast, mix of sun and clouds, and temperatures nearing 70 degrees. That's going to do it for me here in the ENC Weather Update. You can stay up to date with us, Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com, and our brand new Storm Team 9 app in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Have a great rest of your evening, a great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.